Look, folks, this kid is stressing me out. He's turning my hair gray. Oh my gosh. Okay, so today I wanted to show you all a temporary color pop hair dye that I found on the internet that has only 3 ingredients: bee pollen, color pigment, and petroleum jelly. Now, we already talked about petroleum jelly before. I'm not really a huge fan of this stuff, but I figured I'd give it a shot and see how it would do in my hair because, you know, a lot of y'all like to dye your hair certain colors and whatnot, so maybe this temporary color could really help you out. And if you like to do cosplay and stuff like that, stuff's amazing. So let's get to that. Let's get started. And yeah, I'm going to show you all the amazing everything. So, yeah. All right, so the stuff is called My Sticky Color Pop. All right, I chose Precious Silver. I'm going for a nice silver fox look here. Works for the beard and the hair. I've dampened my hair so it's a little wet. The beard is going to be completely dry. We're going to see how it works. Now, the ingredients, like I said, are bee pollen, color pigment, and petroleum jelly. Now, the description on the back says, this is a cream-based product designed to give those who don't desire using harsh chemicals, dyes, developers, bleaches, yada, 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 a chance to have a nice color pop. Works on light, dark, and pre-colored hair. Let's see, I went with the Precious Silver. I think I said that already. Oh, and directions to use. So it can be used on wet and dry hair. Use a dime size. Rub color between fingertips, then dab the color into the hair strands as desired. More layers applied, the brighter the color becomes, and wear a bonnet at night to protect your pillows and whatnot. I'll be using this along with my wooden comb here to get it in nice and deep, and we'll see what happens. So let's get this party started. All right, so it comes out as a nice, nice cream consistency. All right, cool. Let's do this. Oh, I'm gonna take my. Hey, Chris, I'm taking my wedding ring off for a second. I had to. All right. All right, so I'm applying a little bit more because I got a lot of hair. I'm gonna see how this stuff turns out. I don't want the baby getting no gray hair. All right, I'm going through a lot because I do a lot. I do the most. So this would be pretty dope if you do cosplay. You know, you want to have that nice temporary color just for, you know, one Comic-Con or whatever. And you don't want to have, you know, to deal with the chemicals and whatnot. All right, my hair's too dry for this comb. It's ridiculous. I need to do better with my life. They have a bunch of colors. They have silver, blue, yellow, red, purple, turquoise. So maybe next time I'll go Super Saiyan. All right, how does this look so far? Do I look crazy? I feel like I look like a nutcase right now. So like I said, my beard is completely dry. It's rough, gross, disgusting. You good, baby? All right. All right, a little bit more for fine measures. All right, I'm gonna run to the bathroom, make sure I got all the stuff worked in there. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I may have used a little too much. Oops, but I do have a nice silver look to me, so you can see, nice and silver. And yeah, I feel like I just used a little too much. I look a little ashy right now, but I like the stuff. It's definitely pretty cool. If you have kids or something, they want to change their hair color, this is a great choice. When I was a kid, I wanted to dye my hair silver like Cisco. My mom told me no, so instead she got me a silver do-rag. and was like, if I like the look of my head in silver, after a week, she'll dye it silver. Of course, I totally forgot about it, and I never got my silver hair. So now I do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rock this for a little bit, probably a couple days, let it naturally fade out and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm a silver fox now. Rawr, roo, grr, grr. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Anything else? So I still have this much draw left. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I got for you. So, ho ho ho, hoes.